Hi everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe to see all my videos. Today we will be making some chicken fricasé de pollo in the Instant Pot. The first thing you want to do is add some oil of your choice and you are going to set this to saute. We are going to add our chicken thighs or whatever chicken you want to use, fry it on both sides, and we are going to remove to a plate. Once that is removed, you are going to add some peppers and onions and also some fresh garlic to that oil, and you're gonna sofreírlo for a little bit, saute for a little bit. Then you're gonna add 2 cans of tomato sauce, 1 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of wine to cook wine, some chicken flavoring, some mojo, bay leaf, and my own sabor cachucha, which is a Cuban ají cachucha, and you can find it on my link. Once you add all of that in, you're also gonna add your chicken. You're going to cover up and you're going to set your Instant Pot to poultry. Mine is for 15 minutes. Once that is done, you're gonna open it up, add your peas, some potatoes. I added these potatoes whole. If you have bigger potatoes, just cut them. I also added some sliced olives and some sliced red pimientos, which give it an amazing flavor. You are going to stir and cover that back up and cook for about 4 minutes. Once that is still done, you're gonna let it slow release for a couple of minutes, and then you will do a quick release and your food is done, guys. You can pair that with some white rice, or like in my case, I made some Mexican style rice and we ate it with that, and it was absolutely delicious, quick, easy, and you have an authentic Cuban meal. Don't forget to check out the link for sabor cachucha, which is my ground cachucha powder.